Simple Truth plant-based Alfredo vegan pasta sauce. Ahoy mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to another grocery haul. Okay, you can see me. I think you can see me. Hello. Okay, I'm just gonna be wiping all of my groceries down. I have my disinfectant wipes and also my receipt. Where's my receipt? It is so warm out today. Anyways, okay, so there's so many cool things that I found today. First thing that should probably be talked about is the ice cream, so I can go put that up. We've got Kroger Deluxe Jammed Caramel Crunch. It has Baby Ruth candy bar in it. It looks so good, and the pints of ice cream were on sale for $1 a piece. So I got that one. And then, oh my gosh, I tried this one. A while back. It's Kroger Deluxe tie-dye burst. This one is so good. It's it has swirls of vanilla, cherry, and blue moon. I have no idea what the hell blue moon is, but I assume it's blueberry flavor. Anyways, you can really taste the cherries in it. Really good. Why does my hair keep flying into my face? Okay. Simple Truth plant-based Alfredo vegan pasta sauce. $2.99 for this, which is a really good price, and I tried it a while back, and you can't tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference between this and regular Alfredo sauce, because I've tried vegan Alfredo sauces before and they were absolutely disgusting. But this, you really cannot tell. You cannot tell. It's creamy. There's no like chunky cashews in it. It's nice. Okay, it's nice. And then we've got oh yeah, did I say it was $2.99? The pasta sauce was $2.99. And then we've got Kroger white chocolate mocha coffee creamer for, I believe this was like I said, it's warm out today. Oh, my stomach is not handling that well. Okay, now I'm gonna move the receipt. Over to here. Okay, where is it? Okay, coffee creamer. Oh yeah, I had a coupon for 25 cents off Kroger coffee creamers. So, oh my gosh, I lost it again. Where was it? Okay, the creamer was $1.74. And then I had the 25-cent off coupon. I have no idea what that would have been after that. We've got, okay, I should probably be organized about this, because like I got some pasta, but I have no idea where it is. But just know I got some pasta to go with that Alfredo sauce. I'm not just gonna eat it out of the jar. Okay, we've got some Kroger dip for $1.25. I decided to get Tex-Mex spicy southwestern style sour cream dip. This stuff is the best. It's the best like Kroger dip that you could ever get. But yeah, I got the dip because there's some snacky stuff. Again, don't know where it is. But yeah, Fear Street 1666 is gonna be on Netflix tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't know when this video's going up, but tomorrow's Friday at this point. And I got some snacky stuff so I can have like a movie night. Yeah, oh, I was craving some chocolate soy milk, so I got some of that. Simple Truth brand for $2. It's all soggy. Okay. Let's move these on over here so we have a little bit more room. I'm still recording. Okay, so we'll get into the pop, you know, because we're doing the snacky stuff. Let's do pop. Okay, I forget what I got. It was... oh my gosh. I don't know if anybody else is like having trouble kind of readjusting to going out into the world without a mask again, or into the world at all. But it is a bit, it's a bit, you know, it's a bit. And so I kind of forgot what I got. A lot of the stuff today, you know, it's all kind of a blur, but you know, we got pop, Big K brand, 4 for $3. So I got some Diet Cherry Cola, and some Diet Dr. K, which is basically off-brand Dr. Pepper. And then I got 2 bottles of, which is one of my all-time favorite sodas. It looks so spooky when I pour it into a skull mug. Into my skull mug, my skull wine glass. That's what I was trying to say. It looks so spooky in the skull wine glass. Anyways, we got Big K Diet Drop Red. So wipe that on down. But yeah, I love the sales. I noticed that there were a couple of flavors of like Mountain Dew, but they're kind of expensive. Like Mountain Dew is kind of expensive, so I just decided to go off-brand. Okay. Oh, Kroger mac and cheese. Okay, if anybody was wondering, no artificial, no, it's synthetic dyes in these, and they were 50 cents a piece. So I grabbed like 4 boxes. Oh my gosh, I love their mac and cheese. So good. Ooh, okay, this is something that should probably go in the fridge, not the mac and cheese. But I got these Kitkat key lime pie bars. They had buy 2 get 1 free, and they're $1 a piece. So it was like $2 for all of this together. Oh, it's a limited edition. But yeah, these should go in the fridge because oh, sometimes it gets kind of toasty. In here, and I do not want those melting. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was so excited about this. Kroger has sugar cookies in like $1 package. Like they have a 2-pack for $1. Because I love their sugar cookies, but I don't want to get like a whole big package of them. It's also considering the fact of how many snacky stuff I've gotten this time. So yeah. It was $1 for a 2-pack of sugar cookies. I love sugar cookies. They're so good. Okay, I got some Kroger honey mustard dressing. I believe these are $1.50. or $1.25. Somewhere around there. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I use the self-checkout, so I should know where. No idea. No idea. Maybe I just looked at the price. Kroger, no. I have no idea. Oh, the way that the way this stuff is abbreviated, I have no idea. But yeah, I think it's $1.25 to $1.50 for Kroger dressings. Next, I got some coffee. Kroger brand for $4.99, I think. Yes, this big old container of coffee, and it's it's French roast ground coffee, which I thought I'd try something a little different than what I normally try. And also, I may or may not have only bought it because I had a picture of a poodle on the side. I just thought that was cute. It looks like it's pooping coffee beans. Okay. So okay, next. Okay, I got some spinach. Kroger brand tender spinach. It's usually about $2.19 for this. I sort of just wanted something simple, you know, for the salads this time. But yeah, Kroger spinach, and then I got the honey mustard dressing to go along with that. And also, I got some blue bonnets. Let me read the ingredients once again. But yeah, blue bonnet vegetable oil spread. Kroger sells this, and it looks like this. It's this size and everything. And it is vegan. It is vegan. From what I can tell, there's no milk listed there. There's no dairy or anything listed in the ingredients. I used to get Blue Bonnet a while ago. They had like the lactose-free one that was accidentally vegan, and anyways, this one's accidentally vegan, and it's way cheaper than the vegan brands, you know, the ones that say it on the front. It's cheaper than those. Like if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, it's $1.49 for this. Okay, so next we got some cheese. I don't know why I bought I was like craving cheese. I didn't have a plan for it. I think I'll just eat it. I'll just eat the cheese. Like just as a snack. Not the whole thing in one sitting, but $2.29 for the cheese. Next, oh, I think I got bagels. They might be somewhere in there. Whew. Oh, this got squished. Kroger Neufchâtel cheese. This is better than cream cheese, in my opinion. It is the best thing you will ever taste. And it was $1.14 for for the new shuttle. Next, oh, did I mention this is Kroger? Oh, of the Kroger brand stuff that I've been talking about. Yeah, this is probably obvious. Okay, so. Okay, so we've got some Kroger Apriva Sweetener. These are just like, sugar packets, but like not sugar packets. Like sugar-free sugar packets. Basically, it's like Splenda, and it's like an off-brand of that. And yeah, it was $2.49 for this. I love to put it in my coffee. I'll like grab a couple of packets of that for my coffee in the morning. Okay, I finally found the pasta that I'm gonna put with Alfredo sauce. Kroger salad rainbow twirls. So that's what I'm gonna do with the pasta salad. Pasta sauce. The pasta sauce. Okay, so yeah, I got 2 boxes of this, and they were, I believe, $1 a piece. But yeah, I just like the taste of it, cause I think they put like they put spinach and tomato in it, and I think it would be it would complement the Alfredo sauce really well. Oh my gosh, I found Bob's Red Milk. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I found Bob's Red Milk flaxseed meal, really cheap at Kroger. It was like, I think $3 something. It said it was cheap for, flaxseed. Oh, it was $2.63 for it, for this. And Bob's Red Mill, that is a good brand. Like, that is a name brand. Okay, next we got Kool-Aid. I was running low. I had some Country Time pink lemonade, but I'm running low on that, so I got some strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid. These were 4 for $1, so we got some strawberry kiwi. We got some pink lemonade, because I can't think about summer without pink lemonade. And then we got some watermelon, another flavor I cannot think about without summertime. And then we got strawberry. Okay, so next we've got Dollar Tree. Okay, so we got some hot tamales. I love me the spicy candy. $1. Oh yeah, all this stuff from Dollar Tree is $1. So we got the hot tamales. Okay, now we're getting into the snacky stuff. I got some hot crunchy cheese curls, Brim's brand. These are not as spicy as I'd like. They're definitely not as spicy as like hot Cheetos. I kind of like something between this and hot Cheetos as far as the spiciness, but it's good. Next, by the same brand, we got some cheese balls. I love cheesy things. I love cheesy things. Oh, this is an empty salad container. Next, we've got we've got We've got that, and it's spicy sticks, chili and lime. I think these are like an off-brand of Takis, like I think it's the Fuego flavor of Takis. Yeah, I think this is an off-brand. Anyways, really good. Pretty sure I've tried these before. I'm wondering how those will taste dipped in the Tex-Mex dip. Okay. Next, oh my gosh, they have Monster Hydro there at Dollar Tree for $1, and yeah, I got the blue ice flavor. Oh, and I've already tried. I've already tried the Manic Melon flavor. It's really good. It tastes, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. It is so flavorful. Oh my gosh. It sort of tastes like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Is there a watermelon Jolly Ranchers? I'm picturing that. Anyways, it tastes like that. Next, oh my gosh, I found black dental floss. I thought it was so cool. It's charcoal infused. I was out of dental floss. I ran out last night. See, I can't wait to try this on out. There's so many charcoal products at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I got a toothpaste a while back. It's called Brush Buddies, I think. That's the brand, and it's like charcoal toothpaste, and it's vegan. And they also sell bamboo toothbrushes, which I'm pretty sure is like better for the environment. Okay. Next, we've got a bucket. I just bought a black bucket. Because I figured that this would make a good garbage can. It just looks like it would make a good garbage can, so I'm gonna make it a garbage can. I might actually get a second one. It's a good solution, and I looked at the ones at Kroger, and they were like the garbage cans, and they were so like they're so expensive, and this is just $1 for a bucket. I mean, okay, next I got some tools. I got Tool Bench Hardware precision screwdriver set. It's got a whole bunch of screwdrivers. Is it pointed at me? Can you see me? But yeah, I got the screwdriver set. So cute. There's no more room on my counter. Okay, I got a Jot pencil holder. This is nice. And, yeah, I'm thinking I'll use it over here with, like, my office supplies or over by my whiteboard. I have no idea yet. Next, oh my gosh, I've been needing a tape measurer for years. So, yeah, this is gonna be nice to just have that on hand. Oh, I got a pair of scissors. They're black. Cute. Oh, I got a toothbrush holder. Stick the toothbrush in there. I got a toothbrush holder. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Does the lid remove so you could clean it? Just watch me break this. The lid removes. And it could just be like a cup. Okay, I actually don't want the lid. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. Oh. Next, I got some pliers. I just want to start building my toolbox. You know, I want to have some tools. just in case I want to work on some projects. Oh my gosh, I got a big screwdriver set. It's black. Got Phillips heads. We got we got flat heads. We got all of them. We've got all of them. Okay. Next, oh, what is this? Oh, I got bagels. I got the cinnamon raisin bagels. You know, the only times I can tolerate raisins are in bagels and cookies, like the oatmeal cookies. You know, oatmeal raisin, that's nice. But like straight up raisins, are you insane? Okay, and then next I got some lotion. It's refreshing mint eucalyptus, and it says relax on the front. And yeah, eucalyptus. I'm thinking of koala bears again. So yeah, I'm just gonna smell like a koala bear. You know, just all around. So yeah. That was my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, for now I have to go, but until the next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.